Bacterial gene enabling plant drug chemicals means a plant is using a bacteria-like gene to build a drug-like molecule. It is trending now because Facebook science groups like Physics is Fun started sharing viral posts about a January 14, 2026 new 5-logist paper from the University of York about fructosa making the alkaloid securaninine with a bacterial-like enzyme. The surprising twist is not just bacterial DNA in a plant. It is the specific chemistry move a bacterial-like decarboxylase that pops off CO2, and that one step can reroute the whole pathway into a complex alkaloid. Securaninine is a plant defense alkaloid, nitrogen-containing ring-heavy chemistry with a distinctive lactam ring. It is the kind of structure that is hard to make by brute force chemistry, but enzymes can assemble it stepwise. Dr. Benjamin Lichman's point was this gene makes securaninine in a completely different way from other well-known plant chemicals. The paper calls it parallel evolution of bacterial-like decarboxylases, plants independently ending up using microbe-style tools. Here is the mechanism. Decarboxylation removes a carboxyl group as CO2. That is not just losing weight, it changes the molecule's charge and reactivity. So the next intermediates are more willing to snap into the ring-building steps that lead towards securanine's scaffold. Why that matters for discovery. Bacterial-like decarboxylase genes are easier to recognize when you scan genomes or phenomes. So instead of extracting tons of plant material, researchers can search for these gene signatures and predict which plants might be making unusual alkaloids. And it points to manufacturing the papers. Buzz sparked talk of rebuilding the pathway in yeast or E. coli. If you can move the key decarboxylation step into a fermentation host, you could make securanine-like precursors without slow plant extraction or harsh multi-step synthesis. Take away the bacterial gene headline is flashy, but the real story is the CO2 cutting decarboxylase step, an enzyme trick that can unlock a whole drug-like molecule and a roadmap for finding more. Learn natural science, chemistry for exams, work, or fun for free at Courseasy.com.